Welcome to learn more on built-in analytics in SAP Business by Design. In this video, we would like to walk you through a business example where you use KPI variants to simplify your KPI monitoring. In this context, we would like to show you the different options you have to fill the target value according to your needs. My name is Stefan Kraus and I'm Product Manager for Built-in Analytics in SAP Business by Design. Let's first understand the use case we would like to consider in our system demo. Your sales manager wants to monitor incoming orders, but in this case, we need a KPI by product category. In order to simplify KPI monitoring, we use a KPI variant which filters on this field product category. There are multiple ways to fill the target value and determine the criticality of your KPI leveraging the thresholds. Option 1 is to upload a cloud data source with planned values by product category and use those to filter target values. Option 2 is to use calculated key figures with formula parameters, and this allows you to dynamically calculate the target value for each KPI variant. Let's have a look at the different options in the system. I'm today working in the role of a key user who has the task to create a report KPI and KPI variant for his business. He enters the Business Analytics Work Center, the Design Reports view, to search for a report called Incoming Sales Orders, which is the basis for his KPI and his KPI variant by product category. When we open this report, we can see that the incoming sales orders are filtered year to current month. And let's have a look at the most important key figures by changing to the planning view, where we can see the actual quantity, net value, average net value, and more importantly for our demo today, the target value, which is in this case yearly. So let me choose 300 as a target ratio and 1000 to get a yearly value, and we now calculate the target value pro rata by using the ratio elapsed days since 1st of January versus the complete year, which is 54%. And with this, we can now have a daily adjusted target value, which always fits to our current value. If we now create the KPI based on net value in this case, we choose net value and create the KPI incoming sales. It shall be a filtered KPI by product category, so we call this base KPI. And this allows us now to first pre-fill the current value and the context reports based on the views and selections we have seen in the report. I would now add a filter value by product category. And this allows us to create KPI variants both in the tab KPI variants or in the preview. Sorry, I was too quick. I have to make sure that the product category is proposed to the context report. And accordingly, we now do the propose mapping step. We save the KPI. And now in the preview, I can see the KPI across all product categories. And I'm able to now choose, for example, electronic parts as my product category on which both my current value as well as the context reports are filtered. Now our problem we want to solve is that the target value should be adjusted daily so that the current value is fitting to the pro rata target value which I want to use. And for this I have to change the KPI one more time. I have to make sure that the target value is filled based from the report incoming sales which we were using. We have a key figure, target value pro rata, which we just have seen, and we want to make sure that this selection is used. Furthermore, we have to add those parameters to our KPI variant. So we have to add the planned quantity, which we have seen, as a parameter to my filter tab, as well as the target ratio, which we have seen in the selection pane. And now, last but not least, again, don't forget the propose mapping. Otherwise, the target value is not properly filled. When we save this and go to the preview again, we will now see that when I choose the product category, I have now two more fields to fill. I have the product category electronic parts, and I take as planned quantity 2000, target ratio 300, just for an example. Let's just give one more zero. So apply it. Now we have overall 6 million target value yearly. We have a pro rata target, which is in this case 3 million. Let's make it 10,000 just to be a little bit better. And accordingly, we are now able to calculate the threshold based on a daily changing target value, which is adjusted pro rata and compared with our current value. In the last step, I quickly would like to give you some insights how this pro rata value is calculated. So let me finalize this demo by saving this KPI as incoming sales electronic parts. Don't forget to maintain the threshold value, of course, the threshold based on targets. That's, of course, part of the KPI definition. But let's now close this view, go into the report wizard, and there I would like to show you the key figures we were using. So we were using a yearly target value. As you have seen, this yearly target value is based on a dynamic calculation where we use two parameters, target ratio and planned quantity, which you find here. You can, as soon as you have defined those parameters, you can pick them from this parameter list and use them in your calculations. But more importantly, we will now want to understand how the pro rata target value is calculated. It's multiplied with the ratio share of current year, and this share of current year is also using a parameter which calculates today minus a relative select first day of current year, which is 1st of January. And with this, we calculate the ratio of 54%, which is now daily changing and adjusts the target value pro rata to my current situation. And with this, I hope we have explained one more example how you can efficiently use our KPI monitoring in Business by Design. Yeah, I wish you a lot of fun and stay tuned for more videos. Goodbye, have a great day.